There's a preacher's son, when his daddy would visit, he'd come along. As we gather around the table talking, that's when Billy would take me walking. Through the backyards we'd go walking, and he'd look into my eyes. Lord knows my surprise, the only one who could ever reach me was the son of a preacher man. The only boy who could ever teach me was the son of a preacher man. Yes, he was. He was. Ooh, yes, he was. Being good isn't always easy, no matter how hard I try. When you tried sweet talking to me, come and tell me everything is alright. Listen, tell me everything is alright. Can I get away again tonight? The only one who could ever reach me was the son of a preacher man. The only boy who could ever teach me was the son of a preacher man. Yes, he was. He was. Ooh, yes, he was. How well I remember the look that was in his eyes, stealing kisses from me on the slide, stealing time to make time. Come on and tell me he's all mine. Learning from each other's nowhere, looking to see how much we've grown. And the only one who could ever reach me was the son of a preacher man. The only boy who could ever teach me was the son of a preacher man. Yes, he was. He was. Ooh, ah, yes, he was.